Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Sorry, and it's time for a get ready with me, I guess, because it is Saturday and I just got out of the shower. I did color my hair, and with my piercings, I'm putting hydrogen peroxide on my piercings just to make sure that they stay good and not get infected or anything. I'm pooped. I've been cleaning this morning and I'm pooped. It's about 11, I think, maybe 10:30, and I am going to, after this, I'm going to go downstairs and probably just sit on the couch and relax a little bit. I've been watching a show that I really like, but I don't even remember the name of it. It's on CBS, I know that, and it's older, so I think it's still out, but I'm catching the first season and I hadn't seen it before, so I like it though. It's good. It's 3 words, but I can't remember what it is. I'll have to tell you guys later if it really sticks. And so I think I'm just going to watch an episode of that and have a cup of coffee. That sounds so good. And relax for a bit. Katie is home, which is fabulous. It's so nice to have her here. And she is expecting her roommate, who is also her best friend, to be here pretty soon. And then a little bit later, we are going to go pick up Lisa, and we're going to have some Starbucks together. So Katie hasn't met Lisa before, so this is going to be a time for them to meet, and then it'll be fun because it'll be 2 sets of besties together. Yay! And I have to say, I am so loving my little girl gang. So it consists of Ellen and Tracy and Lisa and me. We did have one drop out, which is fine. I think the 4 of us click the best, and although, it's fine having more, it's great. I think that, the 4 of us really get along, and it's fabulous. So I couldn't be happier with my new friendships and all of that. I need to put deodorant on, so sorry. Well, I'm not sorry, but you guys can't see that part anyway. I love feeling the fresh, clean feeling of getting out of the shower and getting ready. It's kind of just a nice feeling. But I do have you guys down a little further somehow. Maybe that's better. Oh, but my back hurts from all the cleaning I did today. I'm not kidding. I did some cleaning. Spring cleaning for sure. I conquered the kids' bathroom, which was atrocious. I cleaned every nook and cranny, and we're gonna paint it. Right now it's a bright orange, which I know probably sounds really funny, but we had it, when we moved in, the kids were 2 and 4, and we built the house, so we could do, well, we didn't build it, we had it built, you know what I mean. We painted it, I made it into a fishy bathroom, and I really loved it, and I still like it, but I had really bright fish border around the front, and I had some mermaid stuff in there and some like shark stuff, and it was just really cute. And then the kids are older and time has worn on, and it's just looking totally dingy now. The border that I have in there is like peeling off in places, and it's just ready to be repainted. So I did buy paint. It's just a light grayish bluish color, and I got new carpet stuff, like I don't even know what the floor is. It's not linoleum, but it's something, and it's really cool. I like the floor in there. We had to have that redone probably close to 8-9 years ago, but the floor in there is really nice, so we have that. And then I got new like runners. I don't know what you call them, but one for in front of the bathtub and one for in front of the toilet, and a new shower curtain, and it all matches and looks really nice. So that's cool and exciting. So now I just need to get it painted. And I don't know if I'm going to do that. Katie actually even said that she might be able to do it while she's here on spring break. So, but I still need to like get the wallpaper or border off of the wall. But, you know, all in all, that would be awesome. And it wouldn't be so embarrassing to have people over or whatever with a fishy bathroom now that the kids are older. So all is good with my world. So that is fabulous right now. I thank God for all of my blessings. It is really great. I mean, things aren't perfect for sure, but I'm feeling really good about things. So let's see, updates. Katie's here for spring break, which is fabulous. She's going to spend some time here and then spend some time with her dad. He lives in an apartment. They sold their house and moved into an apartment. I don't know exactly the story why, but maybe just to save money and because they are empty nesters now too. So whatever, it doesn't matter, but they don't really have a room for Katie. So she said she doesn't know that she's going to spend the night there ever this week, but she, you know, is going to go and visit him some, which I totally understand and encourage. So that's good. And then I know that we're going to go visit Alex one day, and I think he and his girlfriend are going to come here one day, and we're going to, he's going to like clean out his room and get some things that he wants for his apartment, and then he's going to, or I'm going to cook for them. He was super excited about that. He was like, Mom, she needs to try your cooking. He's always been my biggest fan when it came to cooking, and that makes me happy. So that's cool. And I work all week, but I am working from home. On Monday, I have to go in for a meeting, but other than that, I think I'm going to be able to take everything else from home next week. And that'll be kind of nice. I have an office that I work in when I'm working from home. I just go to the front office and do my thing in there. So, you know, Katie will be here. And so I can still like hear her and hang out with her if she wants to. And as long as I can still just get my job done, which is kind of fun and neat at the same time. I'm glad that I have that opportunity. Like I said, things are going really well. Dennis is loving his job. He's actually working today. He's going to have to work some Saturdays, he said, which isn't a big deal for us. Again, empty nesters, we don't really have big, huge plans on the weekends anymore, or, you know, games that we have to go to or any of that. So that's all fine. And Saturdays, anyway, I like to spend with Lisa, so that's cool. And when she becomes an empty nester later this year, we will probably even have more times that we want to get together. So that is fine with me. And it's cool that I'm in this season of my life. I'm getting more used to it, and things are kind of settling down a little bit. I'm feeling way better about Alex, and things are going well. I don't know if I told you all that he was in a car accident and he wrecked his car, or totaled his car. So he doesn't have a car right now either. He wasn't hurt. No one was hurt. So thank God for that. And besides that, it doesn't really matter. But, you know, he had that new car that he had gotten, oh gosh, probably just 6 months prior. And so all of that money kind of got lost because He didn't have insurance on his car, unfortunately. That was kind of a thing, but it is what it is, and we just move on, right? We do the best with what we can and count our blessings that everyone was fine. And yeah. So he's working hard to try to save up for a car. And he has his rent and utilities and stuff. But they're doing it. And I'm proud of them. So that's kind of cool. Other than that, I don't really have much. I need to clean out my makeup drawer. It's getting too full. Things aren't wanting to go in. I don't even really know why I'm putting on makeup. I'm only going to, well, I'm going to Target and stuff too, but I'm not going to work, and that's usually the only time I really care about wearing makeup, or if I'm going, to a friend's house or something, I would, but Lisa doesn't count anymore. My hair is pretty dark, but I got rid of all of those whites, I hope. Oh, I can still see some, but it's certainly not as bad. Crazy. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then I will be able to relax for a little bit. So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.